Alright, so I finished my little portable live well for catfishing, and basically I'm going to use this to keep catfish alive till it's time to weigh in. And what I got here is 3/4 inch tubing right all the way around. It's just held in place with zip ties, that way if I decide I want to change my mind, don't really like it, that's fine. The on-off right there is for incoming water. This has 2 bilge pumps on it, they're just shoreline bilge pumps. They're like $15.49 each. And what I plan on doing is pumping fresh water in from the river there. The bilge pump that's down in this corner, which is feeding the spray bar right now, actually comes up to this shut off. Okay, and that one I really was trying to think it through, and I don't really need this one. And what it does is it comes out the box to this T, okay, and right now that valve is closed, so it comes up the clear pipe and back through the lid and hits the spray bar. It's okay. I'm not going to keep fishing there for a long time. You know, most of the time I'll be supplying fresh water and taking water out to turn the water over. I'd say probably every hour or 2 hours for the catfish. And we'll probably use a spray bar when I'm not transferring water in and out, so it should be more than sufficient. Believe it or not, if I can catch one here, I actually have bait for tomorrow night in here. Let's see, there's one. Let's see if I can, trying to not drop my phone in the water. Bear with me here as I try to, there's probably a dozen in here. Might be hanging out back in this, oh, there's some. Oh. Well, I think you could see that one, right? They're definitely in here. I'm not going to keep digging. Regardless, there's definitely fish in there of varying sizes to use tomorrow night, trying for flathead. If you got any questions about how I set this up, let me know.